Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can add weekends to tasks, for example, for task duration in your projects on Freedcamp or the Freedcamp project application, project management application. Excuse my poor English here. So let us dive into this. So start by navigating to your project inside your Freedcamp account. You can do this, for example, by clicking into this symbol in the top left inside your account. Select the project here. Then go through the list of tasks here. I will go with this one, click into it, or you may click into these three dots here as well and select edit. And then guys, what you need to do is navigate to the due date here, right? You will see the start date and the due date. And what you want to do guys is click into, not into this one here, but actually this one next to it, and select the due date. You may enter also a duration in days. And here guys, make sure that you include weekends, right? So if I go with, I don't know, the due date can't be August 2nd because that was yesterday. So let us set it to, let's say, August 16th. And the duration in days, let's say, I don't know, 10 days. And now as you can see, you can include weekends, click into update. And that is going to change the start date accordingly because it's 10 days, right? So if you count it backwards from the due date, it will be 10 days back to start date 7th of August, including weekends. So if your team members, if you want your team members to work on Saturdays and Sundays as well on the given task. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.